Hi, welcome to DY India Tech. Today we are going to configure or enable server registry with SSL. Earlier I had configured server registry which is running on non-secure. So today we run this server registry on secure, which is called HTTPS protocols. So let me increase the font size so you can able to view my screen. Size. So let's see my Docker is already running this all Docker containers which is required for Harbor. It is already running. Right. So let me check the port 80. Now the port 80 is listen on Docker proxy. With the help of 80 port, we are able to log in my server registry. Let me try to log in again. So I am able to log in successfully. So I'm doing logout. Let me start to configure my domain with SSL. So I have to take down first. So I have to go in the Harbor folder, then Docker compose down -v. So first of all, I'm taking down my services which is running in container. So see the all container is now down. Let's check the. So now currently no container is running. So everything is on stop mode. Let me configure this. So let me proceed. So I'm referring this official website of Harbor. So configure HTTP access to Harbor. So I'm just following this steps which is in below. So already I've noted down those command in notepad to do quickly. So first of all we have to create one directory. So I'm just come one directory back and now I'm creating one directory. And then I have to go inside. With the help of mkdir, I have created one directory and now I am inside the directory. So this directory is empty. Let me create first the key. So to create a key, we require OpenSSL. OpenSSL already installed in my systems. So this is a command OpenSSL gen RSA -out. This is file name which will create, and the size is 4096. So now this key is generated. So let's move the next. Now we have to create certificate. So here I put everything. So let me explain. OpenSSL REQ X 509-new nodes, then SHA 512, and then number of days I'm creating for 10 years. Subject, I mention my details, state Maharashtra, Mumbai. Domain name is DY India Tech, and the URL is registry reg.dyindiatech.com, and it refer the key and out the cert. So now the cert is created. So see, this two files created. Let me create. Again, we have to create a private key with your domain name. So this is my domain name. So let me create. So now new key is created for registry URLs. With the help of this private key, we have to generate the CSR. CSR is nothing but like you filling all the details, your organization name, locations, domain name, everything you have to mention in there clearly. So once you generate the certificate, then everything captured correctly in the certificate. So now this we have created. So let me create one files v extension 3. We can create any norm. Let's create one files v3.txt. We can give any names, and inside we have to put list of DNS which we have. So here I have put DNS1 reg.dyindiatech.com, which is my Harbor URLs. Second DNS I just put for dyindiatech -server -c9-1, which is my server hostname. So now I created v3 file extensions. Now we have to create a certificate. Okay, for this command we have to create a certificate. So in there we are just creating a certificate for again 10 years using the extension files. Then we are using CA cert, CA key, and CSR, and out will be the certificate. So now see the certificate request self-sign, okay, and the subject is CN, state Maharashtra, Mumbai, DY India Tech personal, and registry URLs is CN. So now this certificate is created. Let's move the next steps. Now we have to create a directory for where we have to put the certificate for Docker. So in this case, the directory already created. So let's see inside if anything. So there is a 2 certificate. Let me remove that. So now I remove, just create a directory for that. In the directory, we have to copy this certificate and key files. So with this command, in the single command, we able to copy that, and I just copy and see. The now the certificate and key file is present. After that, we have to convert that certificate in the theme format. So this is a command. OpenSSL x509-in PEM-in the certificate and out that PRT. So now this certificate is generated. Let's move it. Now we have to create one directories for so in the website whatever document we are following. So now we have just created these things and all. Now we are creating this PRTs we already created theme files. Now we have to copy this all those things in this Docker and your domain name. Okay. So I'm just copy this. Let me see. I think it's already there. So it is already there. Let me delete that because that is old files. So it may be getting error while accessing. We require a key files. We require a key file on theme files, pmcert. Pmcert, and then we require CAcert. We require CAcert. CAcert. So this 3 certificate we just copied. So we had copied everything. Now we have to restart a Docker. But before that, I have to make one changes in my Harbor YAML because earlier I'm running this server is 80 port, so I have just commented 443. I'm taking a backup for safer side with the command of cp. So let's check my backup is created. Let me open this. So before open, we have to require data cert. So we require this certificate and key files. Key and certificate. So I'm just updating. So earlier I've commented for 2 things. One is 443 and path So here is certificate and this. Let me put the certificate. And here is a key files. So now I make two changes. Enable the port 443 and just keep my updated certificate in this path. Now we have to start Docker service. Restart. Okay. Let me check the status. So now see the my Docker service is restarted in 7 seconds ago. Docker yes. So currently no container is running. Let me proceed. Now I've run the prepare script. Let me check it. Echo dollar question mark. So now successfully it is run. Next is we have to Docker compose. Setting error like command is like this. So now starting my Dockers, all the containers which is require to run Harbor registry. It will take a little bit time. So now services started. Let me check the containers. So all the container is running like just now. So earlier I'm accessing this HTTP. Now let's move it like this certificate. So now my Harbor is like running on HTTPS. Loaded to the certificate details. So here is my domain and it is created for today and it is valid for 10 years. Let me log in. Now I have just logged in successfully my registry with HTTPS, which is secure. So it is quite easy. You can secure your registry for few steps. Yes. So this configuration is quite easy. So we successfully configure SSL on server registry. So let me check the port. I grep 443. So earlier is my registry is running this Docker proxy is 84. Now is running 443, which is secure. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just share your friend and colleagues. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching once again.